Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry it's been a long time. I was trying to get things figured out with finances and work and all that stuff. But we're going to go ahead and continue. I've done a little bit of work since I've been gone. This is the same, obviously. But we're actually going to be setting up a chicken coop here with a makeshift run around it. And we got this hall kind of cleared up. We're going to do a little setup here. This is for mock-up for later on for cooking and relaxing. We also have a set in the back for some compost area to set up for getting gardens ready. Again, this is all just mock-up for now, just to see how things are going to work out and get things ready. We're planning on doing some garden rows somehow. We don't know if we're going to do raised bed gardens or in-ground gardens on this section. I do have the section right here. We had this pick this up for free from a neighbor. We're going to go ahead and possibly start starting up some potatoes and stuff in this one here fairly soon. So if you like what you see and try to help me out, subscribe, comment, and share with everybody, and hope more better things to come soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.